Hi, I'm Alex Siegel, the Master of Runes. In this video we will dive deep into the rune formula Kenas Gebo Lagus. This rune formula will help you to rediscover your passion and energy towards romantic sides of your life that may lead you to attract a suitable partner for you. Later in the video I will show you how to activate it and how to use it. This formula consists out of 3 runes: Kenas, Gebo, Lagus. The rune Kenas is related to the idea of fire and passion, as in the light that is burning in your eyes and is inspiring you to action. The rune Gebo represents relationships of all kinds. So combined with the rune Kenas, it is a romantic relationship that is filled with passion, and also those parts of your soul and your being, those are responsible for such energies. And the rune Lagus is the rune of a stream, rune of uninterrupted flow of energy. So together these 3 runes will invite exactly these romantic, passion and inspirational energies. Those will be ongoing in your life in an uninterrupted stream of energy. These energies might manifest in different ways in your life. Either you will rediscover some passions, some desires and energies, or they also might manifest as a, if you are ready, as a suitable romantic partner for you. A suitable incantation for this rune formula can sound like this: by the power of these runes, Kenas Gebo Lagus, I invite the energy of passion, inspiration and romance into my life, so be it. By the way, if you don't know the meanings of the runes, go get my free rune PDF file where you can find all the meanings of all the runes. And also it has some rune formulas that you can use to activate, to create amulets for health, for success, for protection, for money, for male and female energies. Also it has the main rune divination spreads that you can use for divination. Now to activate a runic amulet you can use the next simple ritual. Have your amulet with the drawn runes on it, place it on the table, then take a candle and put it on top of the runic amulet, then say your incantation, then you light the candle and let it burn down completely in one go, without blowing it out. After that, when the candle is burned, your amulet is ready to use, you can carry it with you or hide it in some secret place where no one will find it. If you need more detailed instructions on how to use the runes, go get my Rune Magick Quick Start course. Also, I have a guided rune study group on my Patreon. Each week I share one rune, meditation and homework to connect with the rune.